Okay, so hello, good evening. Um, we are starting a new week. A new week has started, and like I said for the last week, are looking for lots of. What we are going to do is we are going to analyze the market and see what we can expect for this particular week. So, for this week on the monthly time frame, we've still not ended yet, but we've gone to these highs. But if this month closes below these highs, I'm looking for a downward movement to this particular low. If then this place becomes a low, right? So let's move to the weekly time frame. I will not spend a lot of time today on the analysis. I just want to be brief and short with this week's analysis. So that's why. Also, so currently on the weekly time frame, we've taken these highs. So obviously the next destination for price to get to is this particular low or this low or even at least these lows here. Right. So these are the destinations available for price to get to on the weekly time frame. We also have on the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily um okay, so on the daily price has come to this particular low and zone over here, and we have taken this low here, the low and gap here, right? So I'm looking for price to come here and drop. We've taken this low, so I'm looking for price to come here and drop down, right? That's what I'm looking for on the daily time frame, right? On the daily time frame, that's what I'm looking for because we've taken this low, so the next destination is around here or here. Come here and drop. So that's on the daily, right? On the 4 hour, too. So we came to this zone here. Oh, don't know why my mouse is actually disturbing me. So since yesterday, started yesterday. I don't know why. Okay, so we had a zone here in which price came here. So I'm looking for price. See, there was a rejection here. I thought price would have been bounced from this particular gap, but it didn't happen. Right. So now we are still heading. We are still heading to. We are still heading up. So we have a four cell gap here. A cell gap here. Alright, gap here, another gap here, and a high here. So I'm looking for price to come to these areas and push down. Right. So these are the areas in which I'm looking for price. Because right now, right, right now we are heading to this particular gap here. It's either we can drop down, come in to this gap and push high, or even this low and push high, depending on whatever thing we do. That's what I'm looking for, because that's the next destination for price. Alright, so I think I'll end here. So let's see how the week actually treats us. We are hoping for better results this week. Right. So let's see how the whole week be. So it's either to summarize everything on the monthly, we've gone to this high, we've taken it, you are pushing down. If the it closes below the high, then probably we might have some further pushes down. On the weekly to we've taken these highs. So you are looking for a move down here too. On the daily to we've taken this particular lows. So we are heading to this gap, right, or this gap, or even this high. And on the 4 hour, like I said, we've taken this particular area, we are heading here. Then if we will have some drop there, fine. If we don't, we see how price will definitely do then. Okay, so that's that for the whole week. So let's see how the whole week treats us. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like the video.